Today I'm going to show you how to unarchive posts on the Facebook app. If you've hidden some of your posts and want to bring them back, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile. Now tap on Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Activity Log. Now tap on Post. If you cannot find it, simply search here, Activity Log. As you can see, the archive option, tap on it. Now scroll through your archive posts. When you find the one you want to unarchive, tap on it and simply click on Restore. And that's it. You've successfully unarchived a post on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.